Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about percentage increase. Okay, so yung objective natin dito, we have to solve problems involving percentage increase. So, recap muna tayo sa fraction, decimal, and percent. So, we have to complete the table equivalent sa fraction, decimals, and percent. So, in fraction, that is 1/2. So, in decimal form, that is 0.5. In percent, that is 50%. Move natin yan sa right, two places. Okay? So, it's in decimal form, this is 0.25. So, in fraction form, so 25 over 100, so reduce natin, divide natin by 25, saka si 100, divide din natin by 25, so that is 1/4. In percent, that is 25%. Okay, ngayon, dito sa 75%, gawin muna natin itong decimal. So, decimal form ng 75% is 0.75. Then, yung fraction form, 75 over 100, divide natin or reduce natin to lowest term. So, divide natin by 25. So, that is 3. Then, 100 divided by 25 is 4. Okay, so ang 100, 1.0. Then, 100 divided by 100, so that is 1. Okay, so fraction, decimal, and percent. Dito tayo sa number line. So, ang fraction from 0, 1/4, 1/2, 3/4, and 1. Decimal, 0.0, 0.25, 0.5, ang 3/4 is 0.75, then 1 is 1.0. In percent, 0%, 25%, 50%, 75%, then 100%. Okay, so dito na tayo sa ating main topic, which is the percentage increase. So, percentage situation. During the start of back-to-school season, a notebook product costs 20 pesos. The salesman told you that the price of the product will become 28 pesos next week. Further, the salesman said the store will have a 30% increase in all their products. How are you going to check if the information given by the salesman is true? Okay, so yung notebook is 20 pesos. Okay? Ngayon, yung salesman told you na yung price product will become 28 pesos. Ayan. So, describe the change in price of the product. Is it increase or decrease? Increase. So, how much is the increase? 8 pesos. Kasi from 20, nagiging 28, so 8 pesos yung increase niya. So, number 3, what is 30% of 20? So, 30% of 20 is 6. Okay? So, what is the percentage increase? Okay, dito na tayo yung topic natin. So, percentage increase measures the amount of increase in comparison to the original value expressed as percentage. So, calculating the percentage increase, ito yung formula natin, amount of increase divided by original value. Or new value minus original value divided by original value times 100%. So, ito na yung formula natin na gagamitin natin. New value minus original value over original value times 100%. Okay? So, example number 1. What is the percentage increase if the original value is 20 and the new value is 28? Okay, nag-increase, di ba? So, yung solution natin, we will use the formula. Okay, yun ang formula natin. So, yung original value is 20, tapos 28 yung new value. Okay? Then over original value, which is 20. Kasi 20 yung original niya. Then times 100. So 28 minus 20, that is 8 over 20. Kopyahin lang natin yung 20, then times 100. Okay? So, i-divide natin yan. 8 divided by 20. So, long division. So, take note, yung numerator nasa loob, yung denominator nasa labas. So, 8 divided by 20. So, cannot be. So, ano tayo? 0, then point. 0, then point. Hanap tayo ng number na multiply natin sa 20, magiging 80 or less than 80. So, the answer is 4. 4 times 20 is 80. Okay, so therefore, this is 0.4. Then, multiply natin by 100. By 100. So, 0.4 times 100 is, ano natin yan? I-move natin sa right 2 places. So, that is 40%. Okay, so, yung percentage increase is the original value is 20 and the new value is 28. So, yung solution natin dito is 40%. Okay, another one. Another situation. The same pala to. The same pala to. So, we will complete the table. So, yung original value, new value, increase in value, or difference of new value and original value. Then, another column is percentage increase. New value minus original value over original value times 100. Ito na yung percentage increase. Okay, since yung number 1 natin, yung first example, yung 100, ang new value, ang original value niya is 100, the new value is 120. So, 120 minus, kasi difference, di ba? Minus 100, so that is 20. Then, kunin natin yung percentage increase. So, new value minus minus original value over original value. So, that is 20 over 100. Okay? Then, equals 0.20. So, multiply natin sa 100. So, that is 0.20 or 20%. Okay? Next, ang original value is 250. Okay? Ang new value is 400. So, new value minus original. Okay? So, 400 minus 250 equals 150. And then, i-divide natin sa original value na 250. Ayan. Sa percentage increase na tayo. Then, equals, so long division, 150 divided by 250. Cannot be. So, add 0 or point. Hanap tayo ng number na multiply natin sa 250. Magiging 1.5. Idagdagan natin ng 0 yan, di ba? Or less than. So, estimate. 250 times 5. Try natin yan. 0. Then 5 times 5, 25. Carry 2. 5 times 2 is 10. Plus 2, 12. So, try natin 250 times 6. Kulang kasi. So, 6 times 0, 0. 6 times 5 is 30. Carry 3. Then 6 times 2, 12. Plus 3, 15. So, 1.5. So, 6 or 0.6. So, 0.6, multiply natin sa 100, that is 60% or 60, 0.60 or 60%. Kaya another one, original value is 65, 74.5 yung new value. So, ang formula, new value minus original value. Okay? Then equals 9.75. So, 9.75, i-divide natin sa original value na 65. So, the result is, so, long division. So, 9.75 divide natin kay 65. So, 0.1. Okay, o 65. Then, minus. So, 7 minus 5 is 2. 9 minus 6 is 3. Okay, so bring down 5. So, hanap naman tayo na multiply natin sa 65, magiging 325. So, try natin si 5. Estimate muna tayo. 65 times 5, 25, carry 2. 5 times 6 is 30, plus 2, 32. So, 325. So, therefore, this is 5 or 0.15. Okay, so 9.75 over 65 is 0.15. Then multiply natin sa 100, that is equal to 0.15 or 15%. So another example. So diretso tayo sa increase in value, new value na 225 minus 180. So equals 45. Then divide natin sa original value na 180. So, long division, cannot be. So, 0, then point, dagdag tayo ng 0. So, hanap tayo ng number na multiply natin sa 180, magiging 450 or less. Try natin si 2. So, that is 360. Hindi siya pwede 3 kasi parang sumubra na. So, minus 0 minus 0, 0. Then, 15 minus 6 is 9. So, 90. Doon lang. Dagdag 0 or bring down 0. Hanap naman tayo ng number na multiply natin sa 180, magiging 900. Try natin si 5. So, that is 900. Okay? So, 900 minus 900, 0. So, the answer is 0.25. So, move natin sa right, 2 places. Or i-multiply natin siya in 100. So, that is 25%. Okay, last. Okay. New value. Tapos, original value, i-minus natin sa new value na 298.5 minus original value. So, the answer is 99.5. Then, i-divide natin sa original value na 199. Okay? Then, equals, so, long division tayo. Okay? So, 0.5. Okay, 995. So, that is 0.5. Or, multiply natin sa 100, that is 50%. Okay, so itong ang next i-ano natin to. Sa next na natin to i-discuss kasi mahaba na yung video natin, ha? Ayan, i-discuss natin yan yung activity number 2. Okay, so maraming salamat sa panonood at pagkikinig. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, pag-subscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat and God bless.